As you can see, we are in the mall.
$2. You want $2? Yeah. I'm eating this crap though.
What's this thing called? Hurricane Simulator?
Yeah.
It's what we're going to be finding out about right now.
Here, hold my crap, please. Hey. Ain't this the thrust?
I got like the longest hair. I can probably like mine been everywhere. Quick way to mess up your hair.
Ooh.
Ride on a big green tractor. We can go slow. We can go faster.
Alright.
Wait for it. Bad idea. He's spitting in it. Hurricane.
Come on, boy! You mother! Come on!
I don't think anybody wants to go in there for that song.
I know, right?
Check on YouTube, you'll see somebody do it. He's like, I want to see somebody do that. I go on YouTube, you'll find it.
I forgot to put on a watch.
Looks like it's on to me.
Oh, okay, so I have to put my hand down. It's not on! Hey.
Oh, I'm so... Dude, we should be on Dumb and Dumber, you know why? I'm so stupid. I'm like, dude, where's my phone? Oh, it's in my freaking hand. I'm recording.
No.
I want to do that. It about blow my hair everywhere.
Freaking thing's high powered, man.
What's it cost? $1?
$2.
Damn it. I only
See,
got $2.
Look.
Alright, can you work your thing? Yeah, just hold it and do that, you know. Alright, I'm going to try the Hurricane Stimulator now.
Stimulator? It's Kimulator. Skimulator.
Let's record you or something.
Alright. Shh, I'm gonna do something.
This is how you waste $2.
That's what I'm saying. That's how you get rid of $2 for nothing.
We should put on YouTube how to get rid of $2.
Seems like trouble's my best friend. Soon as I get out of back in again, it's a wonder. I ain't on.
You'll have a safe ride.
Logan. Don't be so loud. That is a waste of $2. Yes, sir.